Okay, so let's have a look what's inside the Amiga to start with. Okay, it's a PiStorm 32 with a 3A plus. Okay, and now we're running the AGS 2.7. The keyboard back in place. Okay. So let's restart it so we can see how it all boots up. So there you go, you hear the old chime. Okie dokie. And so inside here, let's choose a random demo. So WHGO wrapper sets the CPU and then the game will load. Amazing. Scary Roswell aliens. Alright, F10. Get back here again and keep doing this all night. Again, all done. Same thing for games. Alright, this could be good. Never played this one before. Holy moly, it's a joystick game or a... Oh no. It's a type of... Oh, you got a dog, you got a panther with it. Cool. Okay, get the message. This one here is asterisk to quit. Okay, so it loads these games, then you go and say, well, let's play some AGA games, football, whatever that is. Again, loads. Looks amazing. It's AGA. It's peak Amiga. So everything is there for that one as well. Even if you want to play Commodore 64, for example, you can do that too. Good old Amiga spacebar, of course. No? Yes. Right, so then again, you can do, can you get back? Escape, escape, of course. Escape gets back here, you can close this one off, and it's done. Okay, so that's C64 also done. Press escape in the AGS menu, gives you back to Workbench, and then in here we've got a bit of interesting things. One that is always a good show off point is this one here, if I find it. it's called PC task. Now I may not have set this one up properly. Let's have a look. It's set up for, looks like it might be right. No. I'll set up the screen so we're back. Okay, so what I've done is I've gone in here and set all the modes to various PAL modes. So now you hit start, you get here, and we give this good old trick. And before you know it, you can what are silly games? The file manager. Close this. Where are the other windows? Well, usually play solitaire by this stage, but for the life of me can't remember. Switch to. I thought we had all different program windows in Windows. Program Manager, name. Windows. Ah. Aha. There you go. So you have a bit of speed and it works fine. Should we go there? No. So let's quit this. Let's close this. And yeah. See, you can have it running in the background as well. What else can we do? Same thing with Mac. You can run ShapeShifter. Let's go at 0.1. Run ShapeShifter. Ah. Okay. We're going to need to sign that as well. Okay, so I've gone in and set all those settings how they want it to be, and we haven't got a hard drive, so that's a problem as well. Damn.